I am the zombie chef, and today we will prepare brains. Pardon the lighting. God seems to have decided to grace us with rain, which is a very nice change here this winter. So that's why I look so bleached out and zombie-like in my wonderful, naturally lit, glamorous, gigantic kitchen studio. Yes, I'm certain all of you have those, just like everybody else on YouTube. Yeah. So, this is going to be another boring talk-through instead of cooking video. And the reason is that there are too many options. I have 3 basic ingredients today. And here in this wonderful light where you can see everything, we have... Ooh, that's going to work out well, isn't it? A box of chicken stock. Oh, surprise. The small cook's best friend. A box of pasta we'll use half of. And some broccoli. I am going to tell you something surprising. You put these 3 in a pan, maybe like this one, cook them up and you'll have dinner. I suggest bringing the stock to a boil, throwing in half the box of pasta, and then about half of the broccoli. And you'll have a very basic, serviceable dinner. The first time I made it, I was very surprised. I had ham sandwiches at the ready. But what came out was very good and very filling. And very quick. I prefer to do things a little differently. I cook the pasta separately, again about half a box. And that way I control the texture on the pasta. And it doesn't come out just boiled to heck. I like to take the broccoli and use the stems. Yes. Finally chop the stems, peel them. And until you have basically equal parts broccoli, stem, and garlic. Saute that up in a little butter to create a bit of a soup base. Once that's done, in your magic pan, a little salt and pepper, of course. Add enough stock to create a thin layer. Saute the rest of the broccoli until it's perfectly al dente. And then throw in the cooked pasta, the rest of the stock, heat through, you got dinner. And it tastes completely different. Because the broccoli and the garlic caramelizing in the butter create a very different flavor. Yeah. If you want to go radical, you can roast the broccoli. Throw that in the stock along with the pasta. And of course, that will be way too much flavor for this house, but you might like it. And that's the meatless version. If you have a brand of stock in a box you like, that works perfectly. If not, you can fancy it up. If you want to add meat, you have this bit of magic. Yes, from my chicken show, this is the remains of a big box store rotisserie chicken. After the 3rd night, take the carcass, boil it down in your slow cooker, pick out all the little bones using your magic strainer, evenly divide it between freezer safe packages that may once have contained ice cream, in my case, and use that. Little carrots, onions, celery, broccoli, pasta, some extra chicken stock, and you'll have a very nice, very meaty chicken stew. Whoa. So yeah, 4 dishes all at once, right here. Sprinkle whatever the result is with Parmesan, serve it up, maybe with some bread. Everybody's going to love you. And it's nothing. It is broccoli, chicken out of the box, and pasta. maybe a little garlic and some butter. And if you want to change it up, the remains of your big box chicken carcass. Yeah, I didn't believe it either. But that's pretty much all it takes to make a plate of food that you're going to love to eat. And it's quick, and it'll lower your cholesterol if you go meatless. Or at least it did for me. What it does for you, I don't know. So that's it. Surprise. That's really dinner. Thank you. Goodbye. I hope you're having fun with this. I am.